pick up this deep cherry red crystal pearl 2012 Chrysler 200, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 0 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.